Okay, for completing the square method, I'm solving another example now. And the question is 2 plus 5x minus 3x squared, and we have to complete the square. After completing the square, uh, we have to express this in the form a minus x plus b whole square. And to do this, we will be using the technique of completing the square. So in the first step, I'm rewriting this expression after I will take minus 3 as a common factor. So the first term would become x square. In the second term, the sign would change. So from plus 5x, it would become minus 5 upon 3 times x. Since the number 3 was here in the first term as a factor, so that was taken as a common factor. And in the second term, the 3 wasn't written or present as a common factor. So when it is not written in any term, the common factor, then we have to divide that term by the common factor. So we divided 5x by 3, and also we had taken minus sign as a common, as the sign of common factor. So we had to change this sign. So from positive, it became negative. So in the next step, I am writing and trying to complete the square. So it should be the square of the first term, and then there is a negative sign, so there should be a minus 2 times first term, and then there would be a second term over here. So the same second term, the square of the same second term would be added over here. So x square is the square of x, and this x would be copied down to here in the first bracket also. Now we have to select the term in the bracket in a way that the final answer becomes minus 5 upon 3x. So for that, I'm writing a 5 and then the denominator of the fraction. The second term is a fraction where 5 is present in the numerator and 6 is written in the denominator, so that this 2 and 6 get simplified and the final answer becomes minus 5 upon 3x. Now the same second term is copied down over here also. So plus 5 upon 6 whole square is added within the bracket. And since this bracket would get multiplied with minus 3, so basically I have added 3 times 5 upon 6 whole square as an extra term with a negative sign. So to balance it, I am writing this term again with a positive sign. So the extra term which was written in the expression would get balanced now. Now in the next step, 2 minus 3 times whatever is written in the curly brackets is the square of, perfect square of x minus 5 upon 6 whole square. And there is 3 times 25 upon 36 over here. So this will get simplified with the number written before minus 3, and I'm writing 75 upon 36 minus 3 times x minus 5 upon 6 whole square. So by taking the LCM, I get 72 over here, 75, and the denominator is 36 minus 3 times x minus 5 whole square. So the final answer after this simplification becomes 147 upon 36 minus 3 times x minus 5 upon 6 whole square. So this is the form that we had to find out. The question
try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.